we'll guide you through how to use DaVinci Resolve Fusion to create stunning visual effects. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and navigate to the Fusion page by clicking on the Fusion tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where all the magic happens. You'll see a node-based interface, which might seem complex at first, but it's quite intuitive once you get the hang of it. To get started, you need to import your media. Go to the media pool and drag your desired clip into the timeline. Now, click on the media in one node that appears in the node editor. This represents your clip. To add effects, you can right-click to open the Add Tool menu, then hover over 3D or 2D, depending on the effect you're aiming for. Let's say you want to add a text effect. You can choose Text Plus from the Add Tool menu. This will create a new Text Plus node. Connect this node to the Media in One node by dragging a line from the output of Media in One to the input of the Text Plus node. Now double-click the Text Plus node to bring up the Inspector panel, where you can customize your text with different fonts, sizes, and animations. If you want to add more complexity like a glow effect, right-click again, choose Add Tool, and select Blur, then Glow. Connect this node after your Text Plus node to see the effect. You can adjust the intensity and other parameters in the Inspector panel. Once you're satisfied with your effects, make sure everything is connected to the Media Out One node, which ensures that your final composition is rendered out properly. Play around with different nodes and experiment with connections to discover endless possibilities. Don't forget to save your project regularly by clicking on File and then Save Project. With practice, using Fusion will become second nature, allowing you to create professional-grade visual effects. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.